We're gonna make some homemade pizza. So first, we're gonna make the dough, and then tomorrow we're gonna put it in the decorations that you put on a pizza. We're gonna have some fun and make some pizza dough. So zoom in. We have 2.5 cups of flour. Then we're gonna pour in the yeast. So now we're gonna add 1 cup of yeast, tablespoon of yeast, and then we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now we're gonna stir it.
Trevor, will you come add the salt? All right, Lise, hold on. All right, Trev.
How much salt?
1 tablespoon of salt.
How much salt, Trevor?
What?
1 tablespoon?
There you go. And then when you pour the salt in, I want you to stir it. It's your turn to stir it.
What are we making?
Pizza dough.
Yeah.
What do you want to do, Mom?
All right. So I'm going to pour this in just a little bit. And I want you to slowly stir, okay? Slow.
Like that?
Yep, slowly stir that. And then
Oh, you can actually see it. 2 tablespoons of oil. And I get to start. Whoa. Thanks, Lacey.
that much.
What kind of pizza are you gonna make tomorrow, Trev?
Cheese pizza.
What kind of pizza are you gonna make?
I really wanted to make an olive oil. I mean, not olive oil, olive. So I'm gonna make sausages, pepperoni. Sausages, pepperonis, and cheese. No olive. That's for my pizza. I love that one.
There you go. Stir.
How much water was that?
All of it. All of it.
It was all of it. Okay, 1 cup.
1 cup.
How much water?
1 cup. It's hot. Okay, like not stick together like a Jackson. Oh, wow, wow, wow! I need to feel it.
Hold on. Is this like Top Chef Junior?
A little bit. And then tomorrow we are going to put it in some olive and now let me feel it. It's hot.
Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. Knead away, babe. Knead away.
So now we're going to knead it for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. All 10 minutes.
And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna put it in a bowl with a little bit of olive oil so it doesn't stick and let the yeast rise.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave it in overnight.
And then it's gonna
So you know what the
then
yeast does?
Yeah. So then when you dip that, then
We're gonna have a bunch of dough.
yeah,
We're gonna make two big pizzas.
Turn into big water dough. Then it's magic.
Then we're gonna make 2 big pizzas.
Yeah. So I'm adding a little oil and adding it to the bowl. So that the dough does not stick, because once you knead it, it's very, very, very gooey and sticky like slime.
Make a pretty ball.
Alexa, off. Now we are going to put it in the refrigerator, maybe, and then it's going to stay in there for 1 hour, the whole night.
24 hours.
24 hours, which is the whole night and a day.
Okay, look at me.
We got our dough out of the fridge. It was nice and puffy. Now we cut it into 4 pieces, 4 triangles. And now we're gonna make our pizzas. Wow, Mama, this is super soft.
Mom does CrossFit, but can't open a bag of cheese.
What are you doing, dude?
Making pizzas.
How is it?
Good.
Let me see your piece of pizza. Keep stretching it.
Really like this. Can you do me again, Mom? Is it too, does it look too small?
No, that's perfect. Okay.
Can I get some sauce? I can do my own pizza. Okay, then I have... you need to do toppings. Some Parmesan first. Wait, Mom, can I have some herbs?
Yeah.
I can do the sauce, okay, Mom? I can do the sauce. Okay, Mom.
But I'll let you do it all by yourself.
I'm
Okay.
good. Wow, that's really sticky still. I know.
Okay, do the sauce and then I want you to wait for the rest, okay? How's it going, bud?
Good
What are you working on right now?
pizzas.
All right, that's enough sauce, okay? Enough sauce? Yeah?
And now try and put the toppings on. In a little bit.
Lace, how's your pizza turning out?
Here, Mama. Mommy. This is my pizza. A little bit.
Forgetting something. You ordered these. Oh.
That would have been bad.
And you got the baby pizza. What happened?
The dough's retracting. It won't stay out.
And then mozzarella.
What kind of cheese is this?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Yep.
Lacey, you done with your toppings?
Yes, I did some tomato sauce, then herbs, and then I did some Parmesan, and then some mozzarella, and then I put some just plain,
Hey, Trev.
and then I did
Put a
some
lot of
pepperonis.
cheese on there. Get more mozzarella after Dad's done using. Or here.
Wait, I need to do the pepperoni.
Ooh, I think Mom's pizza is getting close to being done. Looks good.
Mouth. 1, 2. Olives.
No. Are you putting olives on your pizza?
Yep.
That's a
Have you-
vegetable.
Have you tasted one? No. Taste one.
If you don't like them, but don't put them on your pizza.
Because
Because then you're not going to eat it.
Taste one, Trev. Come on, when this, please try again when it's done. So we had some fun making pizza, and now we're gonna have some fun and eat it.
How did it turn out?
Turned out really good. Trevor had some excitement in it, extremeness in his pizza.
So now it's time to
Yeah.
taste it and see if it's just as good as it looks.
You just want to sit down and chow it, which you already did.
Let's see. This is Lacey's pizza.